So why should you promote Lifter LMS as an affiliate? If you're watching this video, it's very likely that you're already using Lifter LMS. And because you're a user of the product, the great things about it, what you love about it, and that makes it easier for you to promote, make a review video on YouTube and link up to Lifter LMS in the description through your affiliate link on YouTube, just as one example. You might also be watching this video if you are in the WordPress product media or marketing media industry, and you're looking for high quality products to promote on your news site. Or perhaps you have a big community of course creators, education entrepreneurs, or any kind of business owners that might benefit from creating an online learning program in their company. As an example, Lifter LMS can help meet your needs for additional income to serve your clients better and just create more online learning opportunities out there in the world with a quality product. And speaking of quality and reliability, Lifter LMS has been around almost 10 years as of the time of making this video. We're not going anywhere. We're having a ton of fun. It's a great product. It's an all-in-one solution. We're known for having the best support in the industry, the most secure code. It's scalable. It can work for one course websites or multi-instructor online course platforms. And people just really love the reliability, the affordability, and the customizability of Lifter LMS. So affiliate marketing isn't about pushing product on somebody that may not need it. It's about helping connect people in search of high quality products like Lifter LMS so that they can be more successful. And also, promoting Lifter LMS is a great source of income. There's an attractive commission structure. So you get 25% of every sale that you generate through your affiliate link. And that can be a lot of money. Our highest end product is called the Infinity Bundle, and that's $1,200. So you would get 25% of $1,200 just for referring a high quality product that your audience likely wants and is in need of. So there's just a really great, attractive commission structure there so that you can make money. And even just sending out one email, if you have a good number of people on your email list, you could get several of those conversions and commissions from just one email. So it's super powerful. And I would encourage you to just, when you do your affiliate marketing, promote quality products like Lifter LMS that have great support, great product, and create a win for all.